Guys, how we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. I have been telling you about this sale of GBP CHF for a very long time. Go and check my previous videos, guys. I have been talking about me expecting the market to come into this zone and move. Unfortunately, personally, when I got the confirmation, the market left me behind on this supply zone. After I broke this level, after getting into this zone, it didn't tag me in before going down. But no worries. I have another level in mind where I'm going to join. So, but the most important thing is, even if you took the higher time frame trade, you will be in profit right now. So the market came to where we said and reacted. It's going down. So all this will be like a liquidity, right? That is going to swipe. It can come as low as this because that's what the market targets mostly, all these trend lines. So I am actually hoping to get in before it gets here because this is where I want to get out. So I have another place in mind already where I'm expecting the market to come to. So I will be joining with my team once it gets there, and we are going to write this down together. I'm not going to miss the move because right now I have another break of structure. I'm not going to show you the exact place. That will be for the student, but then I have a real break of this low right now. So I'm expecting a retracement into this area. And it might even decide to actually come here too before going down. So any one of the two, I will join in before going down further. CHF JPY is giving us the confirmation. So I have this trade. Although I wanted this sell before it got here, but it left me. So I'm no longer interested in this sell. So I'm going to even cancel it because the buy is already active. I have the buy set up down already. So I'm already in profit on this. So because CHF JPY is going up, that means CHF is strong at the moment, which is why our GBP CHF and AUD CHF and Euro CHF sell is valid. All these ones left me behind, so when they came to the zone, they didn't tag me in, but no problem. I'm expecting the market to still come to these zones, but I'm not really, how can I say it? I'm not really bothered about them. The market will always show you what it's about to do before doing it. So no pressure, guys, no pressure. So I'll be expecting the market to come in next week. I'll be expecting it to be a little bit strong. You know, maybe come like UTHF might react here to come here before going down. So I'm just going to be saying it that simple, not really telling you what I am thinking, but I'm trying to tell you it might be Euro CHF, GBP CHF, and AUD CHF might be a little bit bullish first, coming next week before they will now continue the bearish move. But CHF JPY, I'm already in the buy, and I'm willing to actually carry this buy at least to this level here. So if it gives another opportunity, I'll get in again. You know, I'm bullish on it. Why I'm bearish on GBP CHF, AUD CHF, and Euro CHF. So guys, that's what I have on CHF pairs. DXY has been really strong. Really, really strong. I was actually hoping it was going to come here before going, you know, but then I told you about the sell on AUD USD. If you're able to get it, congratulations. But then I am in a buy here presently. I was expecting this demand zone to hold after this break and liquidity. But I don't know what the market, I'm still holding the buy. I don't know what the market will do coming next week. But because DXY is strong right now, I will not get into any buy on GU, AU, or EU until I have a confirmation from this DXY. I need to see that it's kind of weak in some ways, right? It has broken a level here, so that means might be heading here. So if it's going to be strong, then you should be looking for sells, not buys. So I would really advise us to be a little bit patient with DXY pairs this week. Be patient with them. It might be in for sales. It might be in for sales. A lot of things are happening right now. a lot of things are happening right now. So from what I have a liquidity down here. So EU has broken a level here, right? So let me give you this one free trade. This zone might be revisited before going lower, right? We can have, so I'm giving you a free trade that I would be looking out for. We can have something like this, right? And give it just a little bit, 17.9 pips stop loss. And make sure you just target anything below here. You can do to here. I think this would be perfect. Yeah, so the market might rally up, then go down. You understand? So I would be looking for sales until DXY gives me a bearish move, because it has broken, just like what we saw on EU right now, it has broken a high here, right? So it can revisit this area to continue bullish. Are we together? So it can just come here to continue bullish, just like what we said on EU2. It can, after breaking this, it can come here then continue lower. So that's what I have on DXY pairs. And let me see, do I have any trade on Euro NZD? Yeah, Euro NZD is in a zone I'm looking out for a reaction. But so far, it keeps being bullish. So I'm not going to fight it until I see a break of the low. I will continue to respect the bullish move it's making. The market will always let you know what it's planning. I hope we're together. It will always let you know what it's planning. So when it tells you, don't fight it. Don't say what you are expecting must be what will happen. So like I said, when it comes to my zone on the higher time frame, I wait for confirmation before I take the trade. So if it comes here, I'm going to take the buy. Of course, I'm going to take the buy. I will take the buy until maybe it now breaks this low, because look at it, it's cleared this liquidity before moving up. So obviously this is a very big bullish move. So are we together? So I've given you guys 2 free trades in this video. Enjoy it, because it's the same trade I'm going to. So it's part of the trades I'll be giving to my students. So you guys can enjoy. If you do a point A to point B, if this is where it chose to reverse, then I might be looking to get out here. You understand? But if it does not reverse here fully and it keeps going down, wait till you see it reverse before using the field. So that's it, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking to the channel. If you want to learn what I'm doing, if you want to learn how to do all this all by yourself and be independent, reach out to me and I will help you each step of the way. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.